What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. Hope everybody's having a blessed new year. Alright, so I haven't been on in a while with a recipe, but I'm back. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing seafood Alfredo for you. Alright, so let's get this video started. Alright, so into a pan, I went in with some oil and butter. Went in with the oil first, into a preheated pan, and then the butter. And right here I'm going in with some leeks and some shallots. And that's not traditional to Alfredo, but I have some leeks in the shallot in the fridge, and it can't hurt. It's definitely going to give us some good flavor. So I just went in with some bay scallops and some shrimp. All right, and here I am going in with some Old Bay seasoning and some black pepper. All right, just went in with a little bit of kosher salt, and now I'm giving everything a stir. And typically, you shouldn't probably, it's okay to use a cast iron pan for this, but it's better if you have like a stainless steel pan or a non-stick pan for this. All right, so I'm giving everything a stir, just making sure the seafood is starting to cook. I'm not going to let it cook all the way through. I'm going to put my heavy cream in soon, and then that's going to finish the cooking process because I don't want to overcook my seafood. And the reason I'm using the cast iron pan, because that's the biggest pan I have at the moment. I was making a nice batch for my whole family. Alright, so as you can see, I'm going in with the heavy cream. And I'm going in with enough to pretty much cover all the seafood. Alright, so my heavy cream almost boiled over, but it didn't. And I know from, doing this for years that once I put the cheese in there, it's going to stop the heavy cream from bubbling over. Alright. So I'm going to go in with a generous amount of fresh Parmesan cheese. Alright, so I'm going to give that a nice stir. Get that cheese all blended in, and also I'm going to keep it from sticking to the bottom. Alright, going in for a little bit more Parmesan cheese because I'm looking for a thickness that I want. And you know how Alfredo is. It's pretty much kind of like loose. I kind of consider it like loose pancake batter. Alright, give it another stir. Going to let that continue to reduce down and thicken up. Get to the consistency that I want it to. And as you can see, the seafood is cooking. Alright, so right here I'm going in with some fettuccine pasta. And I'm going in with a little bit of my pasta water. That's going to add a little bit more starch. That's going to give it the creaminess and the consistency that I'm looking for. All right, always save your pasta water until you finish your dish because you might need it just to add some creaminess because the pasta water has a lot of starch in it. All right, going in with a little bit more parm. And if you've been on this channel for any amount of time, I like using fresh cheese in all my recipes. So always try to grate or shred your own cheeses, or even slice in some cases. All right, and same thing. If you've been on my channel for a while, I finish all my sauces with butter, with cold butter. So right now I'm just stirring in that butter, make sure that it blends in and emulsifies into that cream sauce really good. All right, just making sure everything is nice to mix. As you can see, or hopefully you can see, my shrimp and scallops are cooked, but they're not overcooked. All right, just giving everything a taste. All right, a little bit more cheese for flavor and for consistency. All right, right here I'm going to be plating up the seafood Alfredo. And I'm topping it off with some more of that fresh grated Parmesan cheese. All right. All right, right here I'm just putting some grape tomatoes, and I'm going to throw some scallions on top. That's just going to be for the look, so when I take the thumbnail picture. But here's the finished product, all right? Seafood Alfredo, done by yours truly, Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. So at this point, this is where I want to thank you for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also share the video with your friends to help support the channel, all right? So this is a pretty easy recipe to follow. All right, right here I'm just giving it a taste. I already know it's going to be delicious, so it doesn't even make sense for me to, you know, I mean, you already seen how it came out, so it's hard for it not to be good. You know, I had all the right seasons in there. I actually add some additional flavor in there by using the leeks and the shallots, and the consistency of the sauce is very good. All right. All right, y'all, so I'll catch you on the next video. Also, look around the channel, see if you see any other recipes you want to check out. All right, also let me know in the comments any other recipes you want me to make. God bless.